Hello everyone, myself Muskan.
Myself Manvita. We are from 9th Icon.
We are from Sri Valmiki High School.
Now we are conducting a debate.
The topic is between skills and marks,
Yes, they are talking the favor of skills.
and this team is talking favor of marks. I will, I will, I will hand over mic to the speaker one.
This is Musfira from 9th Icon. Today I am strongly standing at the favor of marks being more important than skills. Marks are not just numbers, they are a standardized measure of a student's knowledge, consistency, and hard work. Marks provide a clear, unbiased system. Of the students to compare at a national and even a global level. Marks are the foundations upon which future success is built. Thank you.
Hi, I am Yagnadeep from 8th class from the Valmiki School. Sister, I will not agree with your statement. We can also get marks by copy, but the skills are our own talent and we can rebuild these skills by our own. For example, I and my friends are great competitors in the exam. Once my friends got more marks than me, another time I got more marks than me. One day I saw that my friend was copying in another exam in another answer sheet. So I decided that the skills are more important than the marks. Marks can also come from the copy. Thank you.
Brother, how can I agree your point? Because marks are very important than skills, and also marks are very important and than skills. I agree that marks are very important, but skills are very important, but not than marks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mokshita from 7th class. Hello Bhumika sister, I don't agree your point. Skills are essential because they turn our knowledge into practical applications. Our neighbor got more marks in JEE Mains, but he didn't have communication skills. That's why he lost his job. Due to this, I can say that skills are more important than marks. Thank you.
Hi, I am Joshita. I am from 9th class. I won't agree with your point. As you said that skills able to perform good at tasks. To perform good at tasks, they need discipline and consistency. Marks measure discipline and consistency. Marks are not about the intelligence. They show that how the students had prepared their timetable and how hardworking they are and how serious they are about their goals. In today's competitive world, marks are very important. Every college, institutions, and scholarships sees only the marks. People, before seeing your skills and talent, they see only your marks. So I strongly believe that marks are more important than the skill. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Bhavesh from 7th Icon. Sister, I am not agreeing your statement. That I am taking example of for Elon Musk. He succeeded his life by adopting a good company, Tesla, and earned so much money. By that, he started SpaceX research organization and launched rockets and satellites. But also, he is poor in aeronautics and aerospace. Now he is most billionaire in the world. So I am telling that he done this all by his skills. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Balaji from 6th class from Sri Valmiki School, and today I am favor for the marks. And Bhavesh, I won't support to your statement because the marks are very important for education. Skills are not important for the everything, and marks are the base of the student. And if you go to the interviews, they will check marks and give the job. And we should not neglect the marks. So, how can you tell that the marks are not important? Hi friends, I am Siri from 8th Icon. I won't agree with your statement. Even though the skills are more important to get those marks, and without skills, how can you understand and remember the concept for a long time? And here is the answer for your question. By getting more marks, how can you survive in your life? Thank you.
Hi, this is Anita from 9th class. I won't accept with your point. And nowadays, the marks are playing a major role in our society. A talented student cannot show the skills in the examination. The skills are wasted there. Our citizens ask just how many marks you had get in an examination. No one asks about the skills. So most of 90% of jobs are getting from the base of marks. Only 10% of jobs are getting from the skills. So in my opinion, marks are greater than the skills. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Yokshi from 7th Icon. Skills are more important in our daily life. With the help of skills, we can easily get the job. By getting more marks without skills, it is not success. What we are getting in our life, and because of marks, what is the use after your education? Thank you.
Hello, my name is Suhas. I am studying 6th Icon in Sri Valmiki School, Kadri. I won't agree your point, sister, because of in our school system, the girl name is Pujita got the 597 out of 600, and she enter into the state level, and she got the rank and scholarship. This tells us the marks can decide our future also. Thanks.
Hi, this is Mokshita from 8th class. I won't agree your statement, brother. There have one real life example. I have seen two sisters have one got full marks in all subjects in her BTech, but she have less skills. So she got placed over 3.5 lakhs per annum. And another sister is an average student, but she have more skills. So she placed over 7.5 lakhs per annum. So skills are more important to survive in daily life.
Hi friends, this is Maulisri from 9th class. I don't agree with your point, Mokshita, because marks are more important than skills. If we score more marks in the exams, we will automatically gain respect in the society. But you said that skills are more important than marks. In society examinations such as IIT, NEET, NIT, if we score more marks, they can give us scholarships, and in competitive exams, if we score more marks, they will come and give scholarships to our home. This says that marks are more important than skills, and marks are the license to get into an race. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Peter Baksal from 7th Icon. I agree the statement with your provenance. Let me take an example of Bill Gates. Bill Gates was a most wanted billionaire in the world, and he had so many companies by his honor. As that we can say that the skills are very important. As Bill Gates got these less marks in their subjects, but he had invested in the stock market and get so many money. Thank you.
Myself Megharshi from 6th class. I won't agree with your statement, brother. The marks are very important than the skills. There is no marks means there is no jobs. We got good marks means we got the good jobs in the society. There is a real life example. The Krishna Deza was an IAS officer. He has so many skills, but he didn't got the job because he didn't got good marks. And the fourth time he got the job because of the good marks. So marks are the marks are important than the skills. In my view, marks are very important. Thanks.
Hi friends, this is M. Dhruti Kamal from 8th Icon. I won't agree with your statement, because in international collaborations or meetings, they didn't seek our marks or ranks. They only seek our talent, like spoken English, the way of talking. And the marks are temporary, but skills are permanent. In my opinion, skills are very important. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tejasvi from 9th class. I don't agree with your statements. Marks are not everything, but they are important. There are so many benefits for good marks. Good marks are so precious to the students. For good marks, in colleges gave free scholarships and gave free seats and amount for them. But skills do not give amount and free seats for them. Good marks are more important than skills. Good marks have so much confidence and precious to the students, which provide a great sense of humor. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Bahula from 7th class. I won't agree with your statement, sister, because recently my relative has attended one teacher interview. In that he had scored very good marks, but he didn't have any teaching skills, so that he lost his job. Through this we can tell that skills are very important than
marks. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Daksha from 9th class. I won't take your statement into my mind, Bahla, because by gaining good marks, we can don't want to attend an interview. You can get a job in placement selections. Everyone says skills are important. Yes, I agree with that. But without marks, they can't even exist. Marks are not just numbers. They shows the dedication, hardness, and seriousness towards the studies. Can an engineer build a bridge without clearing his exams? No. Whether marks decide whether we qualified or not. Can you trust a pilot who had failed in his exams and having good flying skills? No, you can't trust him. So I proudly say skills are useful, but marks are powerful. People may impress for your skills, but marks are the doors for your future. In today's competitive world, marks are the platform to begin your life. Skills may you to grow, but marks are the first step to the success. And I am asking a question that if skills are more important than the marks, then why every universities and the competitive exams select the students based on their marks, not on their skills? Why? Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is D. Yasin. I will agree your statement, Daksha sister. The skills are very important in our life for achieving our goals. And skills are very important for gaining marks in the exams also. A scientist named John Dalton discovered an atom in the substances by using his skills, not by his marks. So my opinion is skills are more important than marks. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Engitka from 6th Icon. I didn't agree with your statement, brother, because the marks are important more than skills. We can get jobs like educational, promotional, and government jobs. So marks are greater than skills. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Karthikeya from 7th class. I won't agree with your statement, sister, because you're telling that marks are greater than skills. How can you tell that? For example, Newton, he discovered gravity through his skills, but not through the marks. And another example, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He got less marks in all subjects, but he succeeded in the maths. All the mathematicians and scientists succeeded through the skills, but not to the marks. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sanjana from 9th Icon. Brother, I won't accept your argument because you said that he got full marks in maths. As you said, marks had only proven his skills. In many universities like Stanford, Harvard universities, only by the basis of marks they gave an admissions. Thanks for this opportunity.
Hi, I am Zainab. I am from 8th Icon. I agree with your statement, sister. You said that marks are useful for getting admissions in the top universities. That's right, but we can only get admissions in the universities through marks. But by using our skills, we can rebuild our whole life. For example, if you are poor in getting marks, you can use your skills to rebuild your whole life. In my opinion, the skills are more important than the marks. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Jashmita from 9th class. Hello sister, I don't agree with your statement because marks are more important than skills. Because marks are the only thing that can do in our life. With marks we can do jobs and government society things. Marks are the first thing that open doors for the students. And in real world, the companions of the people who can do the jobs and score good marks in the degree. Thank you.
Yes, thanks to all of my teams and opponent teams to complete this debate successfully. Thank you.
I'm glad to have you guys as my teammates. Thanks for supporting me in this debate and thanks for the opposing team too. So friends, now we had seen the debate between marks and skills. The both team participate very well. They said their valid points and their opinions about marks and skills. In my point of view, the marks and skills are having the same priority because we can survive with our skills, but without marks we can't.
As both of the teams said very well about the marks and skills.
In my point of view, both marks and skills are the most important in students' life or anyone's life. So, for example, if we need to crack exams like IAS or IIT NEET, we must focus on marks. And if we need to become successful people like Elon Musk or Bill Gates, we must need to focus on skills. So, thank you.